for everyone. It's one of my favorites in my new album, Acoustic Princess 2. Kasi maganda yung song. It's originally by Maroon 5 actually. And para sa mga nakaka-relate. Kasi ngayon, yung mga tao hindi na gumagamit ito kasi puro cellphone na ginagamit. Pero you wanna sing with me again? May dalawang mic dito. Yung mga medyo malakas na yung loob. Kahit mga bata dyan, you wanna sing, just come up here on stage and jam with me. I'm sure you know this song. So, sana sabayan niyo ako pag sinabi kong kayo naman ang kakanta. Gusto ko kakanta kayo. Okay ba yun?
Okay.
Okay, thanks, bye. I'll start na. I'm at a payphone trying to call home. All of my change I spent on you. Where have the times gone, baby? It's all wrong. Where are the plans we made for two? I know it's hard to remember people we used to be. It's even harder to picture that you're not in this to me. Say it's too late to make it. Is it too late to try? And all the time that you wasted, all of my bridges burned down. I wasted my nights. You turned out the lights. Now I'm paralyzed, still stuck in that time when we called it love. But even the sun sets in paradise. Tomorrow, 'cause you forgot yesterday. I gave you my love to borrow, but you just gave it away. You can't expect me to be fine. I don't expect you to care. I know I've said it before, but all of our bridges burned down. I'm wasting my nights. You turned out the lights. Now I'm paralyzed, still stuck in that time when we called it love. But even the sun sets in paradise. I'm at a payphone trying to call home. All of the change I spent on you. Where have the times gone, baby? It's so long. Where are the plans we made for two? Happy ever after did exist. I will still be holding you like this. All those fairy tales are blurred. And we'll still be lovers somehow these days. Yeah, I'm never payphone. Come on, guys. Pwede niyo ako sabihin sa pagkanta ngayon? Alam niyo yung lyrics, diba? Come on. I'm at a payphone, yeah. Sabay-sabay na. Okay, kayo lang. 3, 4. I'm at a all of thank you. Where have the times gone, baby? So long. Where are the plans we made for two? If happy ever after did exist, I would still be holding you like this. All those fairy tales are full of it. One more stupid love song I'll be singing. I'm at a payphone trying to call home. All of the change I spent on you. Where have the times gone, baby? It's so long. Where are the plans we made for two? If happy ever after did exist, I would still be holding you like this. All those fairy tales are full of it. One more stupid love song